ngizocrossa mara mangibuye ngicrossa khona la ngisafuna ukurelaxa nje because ngifuna ukuhlala ney'thombe namhlanje. Izwa? Oh, emakeba ngakhumbula. Sondela. Ngakhumbula khona ufuna ukubuza wena. Why? No, sondele. Nah, it's just a question kahle nje kuphela. Yeah. No, like obvious yawo. Izinto ezikhulumayo. Sonde ngifuna uvele, ngifuna usiphendulele la. Wonke umuntu uzocala ngibulise nje ngimdonsa ngimbuze lo mbuzo. Alright. So ngifuna ukwazi. Ungacela ukuba nomntwana wesitabani or owesifebe? Makumfana kube isitabani, makuyintombazana kube isifebe. Ngicela ukuba
nomntwana yo ake.
Why?
Aye wesitabani kamgora njalo besides umuntu odliwayo na. Edliwe endaweni eRome. Exit baby.
Ay. Ishiqala ivlog kanjalo bafethu. It's a boy Tapo Saridon and only crazy nigga from the hood. The one born in location number is something different from at home. And yeah, kanjalo nje ngihlala ngaze ngise was there. Okay, wait. Fuck, lighting's proper that way. Okay. Let me see. So, okay, excuse for lighting, but then I'm gonna fix it. So currently, which is that question I just asked one of my friends, is what I'll be asking some of the people on this vlog. Which is and in which me doing that, like was like, what do people have to say about that? No, what's their reason actually? It's nothing against the LGBTQ or okay, I don't know if I said it correctly or not, but then I'm just gonna write it down here. It's nothing against those people. We do support them. Hey, you go against them, hey, there's a lot that's gonna happen to you. But then, yeah, apart from saying much, right now I'm still like I'm heading to link up with one of my boys. There's something and plus we still have some things to discuss. Also, there's a update about a brand. He brings so there are minor things that still have to fix. Also, Smash Pass Nasu says probably next week actually. Next week like so we shoot Smash Pass, so it's also on the way. And what else? What else do I have to like get off my mind before speaking kak? Uh now I'm not really sure because I said speak kak. But then Brandy says and Jack we're doing like few changes and all that, few upgrades and stuff like that. And also Smash or pass because I did a test and then I popped the balloon. I did a smash or pass. So I saw with the via smash or pass everything goes very well. People do fuck with that shit. People do love that shit. People prefer watching it because of the way you teaser and stuff like that. Compared to in the way you pop the balloon, okay, right? Not a lot of people really do understand it, but doesn't mean my like I'm still gonna cut doing it. Actually, I'm still gonna keep on doing it also until people get it, until people understand it. Then when it comes to get little side, okay, I'm still gonna carry on because like come on, special pairs is something big, so people do fuck with it a lot. So I'm still gonna carry on doing more videos, so say special pairs, and yeah, probably because I don't know how this is this coming weekend. So banjani, but then like still wanna do it. I still wanna see what's it like. How is it gonna like set everything towards Ikasam? Because mine, yeah, if I do a hostel edition, each and every time when I do a hostel edition, bro, it's always popping. So now we're coming back to do another hostel edition. I'm just gonna put the poster right here for you to see what's okay. What are we cooking now? What's going on and all that. And where I'm going, fuck, the lighting's gonna fuck me up. But okay, actually, it's not about that. So like, yeah. Also, I still have like few collabs I have to do. Is a smash or pass. I'm not gonna say with who, but then like I have few collabs that I have to do. And which is it might involve people from uh yeah, khona lapho. Because if I say it, like it's more of like I'm giving you like street ant. So, but it might have to deal with people who are from that class, and they're good, very good. Like their influence is very good. So, which is it was not gonna be next week. Probably the next time hostel was there. Maybe I'm not really sure, but then it might be between like those times. Also, what else? Yeah, so far I can say that like that's what I have to like focus on. Then I'm not really sure about this reason they say because of like I already mentioned like few things that I have to do. But then I know I left something out. Like I literally left something out. But good to what did I leave out? I'm not really sure, bro. Like I really have a lot on my mind right now. Okay, I did speak about the brand. I just speak about content. Or also blind dates. Blind dates. That shit is very very good. Which is I'll be also focusing on doing it also. I'm a blind dates and I also like they do pop a lot. And ngingamangali, like vlogging from your side, I'm literally working against the sun, and which is okay. I don't have any other angles than this one for me to vlog. But then like yeah, hopefully mustn't kill pads because when my social and get to grab something to eat. But maybe I'll get a angle there. But then apart from that, I'm just grateful for like and like ending up on jumping Goon, Smash Request, like such content because usually I'm a vlogger. I do vlogs. That's like usually what I do. So um, yeah, I think was Smash Pass, Pop the Balloon, also blind dates. So it's gonna be these three things. So now I'm still stuck in between like few other things, bro. Like I still have to do some things. I still have to do some things. I'm not really sure what, but there are still a few things that I have to do. Because already I paused when it comes to like my my personal channel. I did pause instead of like doing it more. Reason why is because of like I'm focused on this other channel. Plus also when it comes to like doing other businesses and stuff like that. Uh, okay, I still have like this other brand that I still have to focus on. I still have to like these people I still have to collab with. Because I still have like three special persons that I have to host actually before going back maybe to the East End. I think I still have like three special persons that I have to do. Then after that, I go back to the East End, do a collab with because last time I went to that side, I did two collabs. It was Smash Up Pass and it was also Pop the Balloon. So now for me to also like carry on with everything else that side, bro, I have to make sure I finish everything else. Let me okay, it's not like this, but then I can't walk backwards. So like yeah, I still have to finish up like few more things before I can literally carry on with collabs this side. But then I still want to collab with almost everyone this side. I want to collab with almost everyone this side because I want to get I want to get this page actually very very far and do everything and finish because of as soon as I go back to my personal vlogging page and I go back knowing very well okay right just by saying it's pushy what will I be focusing on stuff like that you see so mind you for now I just want to like keep on like pushing on this channel until the channel is good enough to push the other channel actually. So for now, I'm just want to stick to this channel and keep on doing what this channel wants. And then after that, yeah, I know I'll be settled. Okay, I can see people hey, kuyashuda kaSlam. Ama-episode nyana wena eniwabukelayo la masofi nyana wena. Bashuda khona la ekhaya. So angithembile ke ngifike nje kuphela ngizoba ngumsini ngibarasele nje kayi-one. Filming what what. Ngifike nje sibarasele kayi-one ngiyadlala hey. Angifuni ukuboshwa. Mara nakhona bayazi ukuthi vele azabe bayobona ukuthi vele ngihlanye nje. So they don't have to act surprised and stuff like that. But then like yeah. So kumanje like I can say like I'm plus minus 10 minutes away from like getting to my location where I'll be meeting my friend. But then like yeah. So like so far I would like to like thank and send a shout out to each and everyone who watches my videos and also to each and everyone who subscribed. So now I'm thinking of doing like giveaways each and every time I drop a video. So that means each and every video that I drop, it has to like is gonna go with something. And since I don't really like have much, I can literally say because I still want to upgrade my phone from 11 to like iPhone 12. Uh, I can start like small with my airtime. I see you use your data and everything to watch my vlogs. I can like just do a little payback of like the data that you use to watch my vlogs, and like it's more of like now like I'm paying you now to watch my vlogs with my own data, something like that. Yeah, but then it's literally your data. Okay. So like yeah, I'm thinking of like doing something like that. So on a video, this is how it's gonna be like. I'm gonna okay. Let me not talk about the rules right now. Not looking straight towards you guys, but then I'm gonna explain all the rules like essential parts for you to understand. And currently, I can literally see one of my clients. Like currently, I can literally see one of my clients, but then let's see. But then like yeah, I'm just wanna like set out all the rules that I wanna really set out and tell you how everything is gonna go and stuff like that. Like I wanna see he's gonna stop watching. Okay, the Shannon niggas on the phone, but then like yeah, I still want to set out all the rules so that I don't want umuntu ozokhala in. Actually, let me just go via the side. Let me just go via the side. So like I don't want umuntu ozokhala ukuthi okay right. When it comes to like giveaways and stuff like that, we didn't get shit. What. Probably it was fake and stuff like that. No, no. I'm gonna do it like in a very simple way for people who really watch from start middle until the end because even if you try to skip it won't just show you, you won't know where it's going to pop up, but then it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be a yeah, it's gonna be a four number thing, more of like a code. So with this code, as soon as you watch the whole video, you get that four code. You gotta make sure that you're the first person to do so. All right. So as you want to be the first person to do so, I'm gonna drop it in two ways. I'm gonna drop. They're gonna be two different codes, right? They're gonna, which is I'm gonna separate two digits, maybe around the beginning of the video or in the middle, and two other digits towards maybe the end. Same. I'm gonna drop it like twice, but then different locations. So that means it's gonna be in total. It's gonna be four numbers, two different codes. So it's gonna be the first one. It's gonna be the second one. So this is how it goes. You watch the video, you get the codes. After getting the codes, what's gonna happen is you have to comment. You have to make sure that you be the first one to comment with that code. After you commented with that code as the first one, what I'm gonna do, you wanna write your number there and write what's this, the network you use. So after doing that, what I'm gonna do, since you're gonna be doing that, I'm gonna take I'm gonna check the code if it's correct or not. And if it's correct, take your number, I put it in my app, I buy that airtime, automatically we are receiver. So that means you have to make sure with our code. Because if you're code, that means the airtime and you like it be useful to you. It's gonna be like yeah, a waste. Okay, or it's gonna be like I'm paying your debt. But then apart from that, and which is me doing this and yeah, I'm gonna do it I'm gonna do it for the next upcoming videos until I get to 1K subscribers. Okay. Until I get to 1K subscribers. Simple as that. After I get to 1K subscribers, I'm gonna up my thing. I'm gonna up the giveaway. You know what they say. You start little until you get to the top. So like yeah, I'm gonna do it and like depending on how many vlogs I will need to get to 1K subs. But then I'm gonna do it until I get to 1K subs. Then from there, I'm just gonna like up each and everything that I'm doing. Hey, my camera, somehow, but then we're not there. So like I'm gonna do it until I reach the amount that I need my followers. Then after I reach that amount, then the giveaway changes. The giveaway becomes a bit bigger. Looking at couple and if it's more of like somehow like giving back to each and every person who's supporting, but then like somehow it won't be towards everyone. The reason why is because guys in the been even now I have like over 300 subscribers in Baning. Mangathi nginika ama 1 rand already I won't it's how much it's like 300 and something. Makuyikhuphula ngibeka kuma 5 rand still it's a lot. So that's what I'm saying like there will be those who like get something yeah now. I can say all of you can be loyal, but then not all of you gonna be loyal. Like those who will be the first ones to watch. That's the thing. So now you do that and finish. Then also on some videos I'm gonna ask a question. The first one to respond under the text, like the first one to reply under that text, is gonna be the first person, or not even if the first person, but amongst the people who get like something. Because I'm still gonna ask you questions on the comment section so that like we can engage more. So let me see. So apart from that, also another thing. Uh, what else? Okay, so far I can say like those are a few things that I have to make sure that I check. But then apart from that, like when it comes to like in the special person, that one is still gonna like I'm still gonna drop more. I'm not gonna like resist more on it because I still have like talked to a few people already. I have who's this guy? Okay, I have Smiley who might contact. Ngisakhuluma no Instagram ngisakhuluma na this other one. I'm not gonna say who, but then ngisakhuluma with this other one. So hopefully everything's gonna be like very okay. I'm the first one to reach their spot. Before lensizwe, sizothenga inyama eningi nje lensizwe. Sela sothenga ekuse mnandi. Lento dakafiki namanje. Cause ithe yeza nje manje nje. Yeah. Awusengilele nje. Awuze ngapha futhi ngakhumbule nje konke ngifuna ukubuza yona. Awuze ngapha. Awuze ngapha nje. So like as I also said on this vlog, I'm gonna be having people asking people a certain question. Like I wanna know what people think. So manje, sondela no WhatsApp camera. So umbuzo uthi ne, ngifuna uphendule honest ne, unginike nesizathu. Would you rather have umntwana owesifebe which is intombazane or umfana but kube gay? Why? You're right. Why? Okay, unani umntwana wegay?
Kuyabheda phela kanawo lento engiyifunayo. Yabo. Yeah, kuyabheda.
Oh mina yeah. Okay, pe mara angisho uyazi ukuthi lo wesifebe like udliwa mlibe. Angisho. Lo wegay akadli akaphrekisi badla yena.
Akenzi next.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngilungu.
Ah, okay. If you reasoning yakho ke leyo guy, no problem. But oh guys, as I was saying in the giveaway, I still want to do like giveaway towards people on almost each and every video that I'll be doing on this channel until we get to 1K. So as you can see, we're not very far from 500 subscribers. Then from 500 subscribers it's 1K. So it can happen I can do like 3 videos and boom, we on 1K. That means the more you watch and the sooner we get to 1K, it's the sooner also the giveaway is more. I can literally say. So along it is like bit by bit, like there's literally no rush. You still wanna see how everything goes. And yeah, I'm trying to but then like for now I'm gonna cut the vlog. I'm gonna like carry on vlogging when my friend gets here to show you what we'll be having for lunch. Then yeah, it's just the vibe. So from now, and your boy, the one and only Treasure from the hood, Savage. Stay tuned, and maybe the giveaway might start on this video. We don't know, but I'm gonna put a short clip at the beginning of the video if it starts here. Umpewe. Itasikasa kuna.
Hayi no.
Wathatha vele leli ukhome ngapheli nje kuphela. Kambani mfana? Mina sengilindele ngedawu. Sengibamba into yenyeni esheshayo. Ungafiki. Mawuthi sibambani kumenyu mfana.
Unanda. Konke khona. Ngosikali night.
Ya.
Uzwito nento zakhe.
Hayi.
Uzwito nento.
Hayi izinja madoda. Ngiyimona namhlanje.
Ngizoshuka ngo-10 mase ngigibele ngendlu. Yenza noma? Yenza 90 rand wenza ungithi 30 rand ungayi lokho.
10 rand.
Yeah.
Udikhambani bani? Abantwana bheka ubugeli benu bamisana nini? Amabhiya mabona baboshela kanje. Oh, futhi usabele kanje. Ngifuna ungiphendule lo mbuzo ngombuzo.
Uthini mbuzo?
Ngicela ukuba nomntwana wesifebe, which is intombazana, or we-gay, which is umfana.
Between those two?
Yeah.
Ayafana ngamana wentombazane mfana.
Besifebe.
Akwamana wentombazane not isifebe.
Kube intombazane isifebe, umfana i-gay. Uqala ukuba nayiphi between the two.
Hayi, akuzintombazane.
Oh, isifebe.
Intombazane.
Isifebe. Buma.
Okay, intombazane.
Yeah, which is isifebe.
Ngisho intombazane. Yeah.
Buma. Isifebe na or i-gay, isitabane.
Hayi isitabana ngisifuna engikwazi lokho. Isitabana ngisifuna.
Awukazayi.
Angisifuna isitabana, mina ngisibulala impela. Hayi mina ngisibulala.
Hayi, uzeleko ziyathusa. Into niyibona really type uthuma emakhoneni lapha ngibuthi.
Sayi, uthini esavula indaba? La from the first day.
Nakubona konke.
Akwenzanga lesikhathi ngiyakwazi.
Hayi mina ngihlahlula amehlo ngathi lento engiyenzayo ayicacile. Ngale kheli kuyasiphuza isinqele la ekheni ngicela.
Yeah. Awuna into phuzayo.
Oh.
Isotelani bancane.
Lokho kanjani manje?
Isotelani bancane. Sabathelani bancane. Umuntu akaphuze, abhebe.
Hayi. Usokhulume njengombhebheni ke manje. Manje. Hayi lento ukuthi yasonto usontana. Hawu usonto usontana. Usonto bomsamaria yahleke uthi lena umshado nawe ke sikubhedela uhamba ungakalithini.
Awufuni cash, angibona. Yebo. Uvela ufe ungashada ngokushada.
Ungakalithini nokuthi
Ufuyi virgin.
umfana isono kahle leso. Umfana ayisono nje. Mara mfana uthi uqolela ukuba mfana nomntana esifebe mfana ndani igame mfana. Awufuni umuntu omsha ku exit mfana.
Ngona indaba esifebe yalungiseka.
Elungiseka. Hayi mfana base ngenile deep kodwa kungakulunga lapho.
Hayi khona izinto ngobani thathi.
Bafo yizwa. Sondela la ngisituliza la ngisitulo ngifuna bakubone. Engabe ngathi ngikhuluma nomuntu ongekho ebangamboni. Ngifuna uyikhulumela. Lalela ke. Yabo na difference ne. Lo wesifebe ngelanga wenza boma 10k ngelanga wenza 10k awusipani uyabona inkinga
eyakhe imali isikhanyweni yakhe
yeah manje do everyday mntana kuyaziwa kasi kuyaziwa
ungamela sona ihlelo
mara kasi kuyaziwa ukuthi udliwe everyday mntana ula everyday yashaya
kunezinto ezenzekayo
mawuzi imoto like uyazi wathi wavela imoto inyane efethi sayacabanga abantu vele uma lapha
hayi wathi into ezenzekayo
and wena kasi unesithunzi
lento phela ifuye umuntu owumfundisi wasanti but ofutshelwa umfana special ukuthi yena u-street kodwa umfazi yamhlupha
hlala mntanakho mntana kubhizi mara ubheka abantwana abanye ukuthi bayenzani abona mina advantage ene kulo wegame umcela into eyi-one kuphela umithisa ukuqhubeka ngalomasemba wakho nje kuphela and into ngelakhi uma ngamithisa wenza umfana amashumi ukuthi umntwana akhe abe straight maningi example usomisa uyazenza imali yakhe isebe isihlobo saziyo sinemali esidlula usomisa okay right nawe icala phela mongabheka izinto ezinemali imali phela manje kuphela abanayo imali
ziphela manje uma ukuthi umuntu wakho nawe akwazi ukusebenzisa
cha abanye ngibabiza ngamagama la ngepost mara ngisho bavulena ama-club nani bayadayisa ngisho ya masenjalo ya sine-standard leso ewakho wasekhaya sakazazi ezazini wakho udliwa mnoma cha athi uma ngikubonisa phela ngeke ukwazi ukuthi uba njani so utheni wonigcwele ukuba nebani awasifela ngamaningazali
yabo mathi igame fana ngavele ngishisa impembe mzamo ucela ukuthi abamthathe
pepo yilunga faka isiphandla yabona futhi bengumfana ungamzela ukuthi isiphandla sokuthi ahleza indoda masiphela lesifake sini awupheli lo muthi yaba ngumakhelwane ubhizi nengane yakho ngoba ufuna imali mina ngithi umakhelwane uhlezi ashaya ingane yakho ngenxa yemali
makhelwane
phela isifeba
ngamane ngibulale yena mfana ngamane ngimthuma ukuthi straight ngamane ngimthuma ukuthi
so uyabona-ke ukuthi i-disadvantage iva noma bathi kenzakala mfana mina angamane engazali mina mfana noma kuthiwa angamane engazali hawu ngeke uzala into kuzoba yinkinga hayi ngamane kuyeko mfana hayi ngamane kuyeko nje
hey kanjani kuright
I think should tell the main so you know
pausa yo Popeye
hawu kwasibumbu sibumbu esithola ipeseni urani kabe yami
Mambo.
uzakwazi
Uone igama.
Savage
7.
hawu savage ngo 7 bayabheka
sonke sinamagama engisi
amba le hayi la umfana Internet. Welcome.
ngizilile mfethu
Inkinga kuyaziyo usuku